A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah.
Looking for a great place to stay in Singapore and a good realistic itinerary you can explore around this wonderful city? Brace yourself as you are in for a treat. Hey travelers! Today we are unraveling the layers of our recent escapade in Singapore, where we were pampered by the grandeur of Fairmont Hotel. Stay tuned for our honest reviews and why we recommend you to stay here on your future trip to Singapore. By the way, if you are new here, we are the Journey Kings, so let's start our adventure.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah.
Fairmont's architectural design is nothing short of a masterpiece. From the moment you lay eyes on its exterior, you're greeted by a harmonious blend of modern sophistication and timeless elegance. The grand entrance exudes luxury, setting the tone for an unforgettable experience. Every detail, from the lobby to the corridors, whispers opulence and meticulous craftsmanship. Now on to the service. Impeccable would be an understatement. The staffs at Fairmont seamlessly elevate hospitality to an art form. Their attention to detail and genuine warmth create an atmosphere where you feel not just welcomed, but truly cherished. From check-in to concierge, every encounter feels like a VIP experience. It's the kind of service that turns a good stay into an unforgettable one. Now let's talk about amenities at Fairmont. Let's just say it's a dream come true for any traveler seeking the pinnacle of comfort and indulgence. The spa, the fitness center, each space is a sanctuary in its own right. Whether you are unwinding by the poolside or treating yourself to a spa day, Fairmont ensures that every moment is steeped in relaxation and luxury. However, the pool, though it's huge, we didn't enjoy it much due to the big crowd during our stay. Anyways, this time let's talk about our haven with Fairmont, our room. Picture this, a one-king bedroom with a balcony that beckons you to soak in the city's energy. And guess what? Fate smiled upon us and we were graciously upgraded to a deluxe harbor view room. The moment we stepped in, the panoramic views stole our breath away. The cityscape, the harbor, and a view of Marina area and the Marina Bay Sands. It's a visual symphony that etches itself into your memory. And it's something to always look forward as you wake up every morning. So now, let's have a quick room tour.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
However, to keep it real, we encountered a tiny hiccup during breakfast. While the hotel earned high marks overall, The breakfast area could benefit from a bit more organization during peak hours, even though they already open both the market and Prego for breakfast. A minor tweak that could transform a good morning into a great one. Despite this, Fairmont Hotel easily earns a solid 9 out of 10 from our perspective.
So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I've been healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out.
And now, let's explore the treasures surrounding Fairmont and what you can explore in this wonderful city. Just steps away, you'll find the iconic Raffles Hotel, a must-visit for its rich history and timeless charm. One of the best places to try the iconic Singapore Sling. Also, don't miss out on the Merlion Park, offering postcard-perfect views of the city skyline against the iconic Merlion statue.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby.
Wander a bit further as the hotel is accessible to the City Hall MRT station. You'll stumble upon the Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic wonderland of lush greenery and the mesmerizing Super Tree Grove. Perfect for an afternoon stroll or catching the breathtaking light show. Sentosa Island is another gem that is worth to visit, boasting beaches, theme parks including Universal Studios Singapore, and a whole lot of fun in the sun.
Trying to keep my focus right.
Going back, you can roam around the marina area and explore like the Merlion, walk or bike to Marina Barrage, take a good river cruise tour, check Marina Bay Sands and Marina Bay Link Mall. You can also explore the rooftop deck for a fee or the evening light show for free. Other famous places to explore are Orchard area for shopping, Chinatown, Little India, Haji Lane, Clarke Quay, and many more. I have also crafted a more detailed Singapore travel tips and a budget-friendly itinerary from this video or at the end screen, so go check it out later. There are a lot of food places and hawkers that you can enjoy local foods. One of the most famous ones is Lau Pa Sat, one of tourist favorite and my personal favorite. So you can explore and enjoy Singapore's best, like satays, chili crab, salted egg chicken, and many more. By the way, the hotel is conveniently located adjacent to Raffles CP Mall and Swiss Hotel, the mall with wide variety of things for you to explore, from different brands to shop, many food places, and almost everything you need. We also get the chance to enjoy a cocktail, and of course, Kay cannot miss his favorite Singapore Sling, this time both in the bar of Fairmont, Antidote, and the neighbor hotel Sky Bar, located in the 70th floor of Swiss Hotel. Both experiences gave us a good time to enjoy a drink with a stunning view of the city skyline, and most importantly, good laughs with some friends we reunited. So folks, my question to you, will you treat yourself to this hotel? And what is your favorite place to stay and favorite attractions of Singapore? Share your experience from the comments section. Please don't get us wrong, we don't always stay in these luxurious brands or hotels, and we carefully research the best prices, and we will probably create a separate video where we will rate some of the 3 to 4 stars hotels in Singapore. So watch out for that. Therefore, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel escapades with us, the Journey Kings, your passport to adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and goodbye!
Not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too?